Good afternoon, mate. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'ma do the Chhinkni Challenge Part 2 for Spin 721. This is for you. And Sneeze and Chad. Ready? While I'm watching Bob's Burgers. I'm not sick, not because I have a cold, or not because I have a sore throat, or stomach bug, or diarrhea. I just have just chitney powder. Ready? Or cough.
College wasn't built for me.
It didn't care if I had to work a double shift. Test day is test day. Deadline's a deadline.
I want to set the deadline.
Tests on your time. Courses on your time. Graduate on your time. WGU, the nonprofit university of you. Every time Nodule 5 came back, that old seasoning was drawing something closer. And once they taste the warm Nodule cheese sauce, they won't stop till there's nothing left.
Taco Bell's Pride Force. Now serving at a Taco Bell near you.
It's an important time to save. With Priceline,
I'm waiting for my sneeze to come again while watching Bob's Burgers.
you get a big deal. You feel like a big deal. Priceline. Every trip.
Holy crap.
Welcome to your 30-minute full body strength. Yes, you can tell us how to talk.
I need some more chili powder.
Enjoy your show on Peloton. Amazing work. You absolutely
Yours is a front yard family. Because that's what the neighborhood is. So you stay up front. And the world will be golden. Go be great. Stay bold.
Eye contact, elbow pump. Very nice. Very nice. Carvana doesn't have any bogus fees. Bogus? No, we work hard for fees. No $100 fuel fee? Pumping gas makes me woozy. Thank you. $600 dock fee? Ugh, the printing, the organizing. No $200 cleaning fee. That chaps my hand. You know, we can go over there right now and show them how fees are done.
Never pay a dealer fee. With Carvana,
My money guy says, if I don't pay myself first, no one else will.
My money guy says overdraft fees are for suckers.
My guy says, compound interest is my best friend.
My guy says, if you taxes your fees just to have an account, you need a new bank.
Money should matter for some of us. It should work for all of us. Walk in the bank and find a new kind of bank.
That's my guy.
Borrow. A bank for all of us.
Hey, you! Domino's is giving away $50 million in surprise free.
Oh,
Yes.
every app's add surprise fees. Domino's were giving out surprise frees instead.
Surprise freeze! Surprise what? Freeze with an R.
If you order delivery online, you could be surprised with free lava cakes, free stuffed cheesy bread, free pizza, and more.
Yes!
Check the Domino's tracker to find out. Are you gonna pizza next time?
Domino's!
That's what I love to hear.
Help! He's a crazy man chasing me!
Nintendo.
Tomato slice. Take that!
what is it those are for?
I'm gonna sneeze again.
I'm taking one.
Why don't we try to blow my nose? See what helps. Let me try to blow my nose.
I wonder what you looked like 15 minutes ago.
So here he goes. Your boss is gonna get you. Oh, hi, Dad. Bacon wrapped scallop?
Sure.
Hello?
Hi, is this Miss Stalker?
Yeah.
I'm calling for